A very good evening and welcome to Akash Classics Malaysia. Once again, a very good evening and welcome to Akash Classics Malaysia. What we have today for sale is an iconic SUV from Audi. It's famously known as the Audi Q7. Therefore guys, before I start today's preview on this Audi Q7, let's like and share this video with all your friends. As usual, it'll be the most cheapest Audi Q7 you could ever imagine for sale in Malaysia. So once again guys, let's like and share this video with all your friends, as this will be the most cheapest Audi Q7 you have ever heard in your life for sale in Malaysia at the moment. So guys, welcome to Akash Classics Malaysia. What we have for sale today is a beautiful Audi Q7. As you can see, this is a pre-facelift model. It's a S-Line Quattro. It's got a very attractive brown exterior color. On the exterior, I would say this car is in original condition. As you could see, this is an S-Line. Here you go, the S-Line emblem on the front fender of this huge SUV. As you could see, I would say overall this car is in fair condition. I will never say this car is in very good condition, as it is a used car. It is in fair condition for its age. As you can see, overall the car's body on the exterior is in good condition. So let's have a look on the interior of this Audi Q7. This is a 3-liter TDI S-Line, 2008 manufactured in the year of 2008 manufactured and registered in Malaysia in the year of 2013. So I believe this car is a diesel. It's got a very beautiful and sleek, elegant line on its body. It's a 3-liter diesel. It has got a SUV status. Therefore, Rotax is cheap for this Q7. Let's have a look on the interior before I announce the shocking price of this Audi Q7. As for the interior, it is still in original condition. I would say the interior is also in fair, good condition. As you get the S-Line seats, the S-Line steering wheel, S-Line side step. So this is the car's overall condition. The front screen has got a bit of blurrish display. It could still be seen, but slightly blur. Let's have a look on the back seats. Here you go. You have two rear tables at the back, which could pop up and pop down. I would say the seats inside are still pretty good condition. And you have got two more folding seats at the back. It's a 7-seater option, whereby you could just fold up these two seats and you could go up manually. So you got two seats at the back and you got a huge, large cargo space if the seats are down. Even if the seats are up, you still have that much of space to put your luggage. It's a good family car, I would say. So once again, let's have a look on the interior of this Audi Q7. You get Bose sound system, as you could see. S-Line side steps once again. And here you go. Dual electric seats on the front. It's still in original condition, the interior. So guys, before I announce the shocking price of this car, let me tell you the market price of this car. The market price of this car, the cheapest is 49,800 ringgit Malaysia, up to 60,000 ringgit. But today, we are doing a 50% promotion on this car. Therefore, from 49,800, you're only buying this car at 25,800 ringgit Malaysia. So once again, this car be for sale at Akash Classics Malaysia at only 25,800 ringgit Malaysia. I believe this is the most cheapest Audi Q7 you could ever find for sale in Malaysia at the moment. So therefore guys, let's like and share this video with all your friends, and thank you so much for watching today's video. Stay safe, stay blessed.